everyone, and welcome back to Beverly Stunning Creations. And look what I have for you guys. Can you believe that this is a Dollar Tree piece and it's only $1.25? Now Dollar Tree is really starting to bring out more high-end looking pieces. Now this piece is really nice. You really don't need to do much to it. You can just really buy this piece and add some flowers to it. But on my channel, you know I'm going to take it up a notch, okay? I've only seen these in 2 different Dollar Trees so far. What I mean by these, I have this one and I have this one. They're both the same height. This one is a little heavier, but they both have really nice quality weight to them. Not something that you would normally find at Dollar Tree. So I'm going to move this aside and I'm going to add one more piece to this. In the previous DIY, I showed you guys how to create a coaster from Plaster Paris. So I'm going to be using one of these coasters too. So what I'm going to do is just go outside and spray paint these. I'm not going to say what color they're going to be. I'm going to come back and let you see what I have, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay guys, so I painted it white, as you can see, a glossy white, a bright glossy white. Now it was white in the beginning, but it wasn't this white. Now, remember I showed you this, and again I'll link a video to show you exactly how to make this from Plaster Paris and one of the silicone resin molds from Dollar Tree. Here's one that I spray painted silver. So what I'm going to do is just glue this right on top. So I'm going to take some of my Gorilla Glue and put it right on this rim. And because this is heavier, I'm going to leave it in this position to dry. Okay, so here I have a second one that I spray painted silver, and I'm going to do just the opposite of what I did here. I have the silver bottom, then I have the white top. So now I'm going to allow those to dry for a few hours and then come back. Okay guys, so let's get back to it. Here's the white one. It's completely glued on there. So now I'm just going to accent it, not a whole lot, but just a little. Okay, so I'm going to put some decorations around the outside and then down the side as well. Now I have a little bit of this one left. I don't have enough, so I'm gonna go with the next best thing. It's really similar, you can see the difference. This one has like a beaded edge. So I'll be ordering some more of this from Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some around here and then on each side. Look how pretty that is, isn't it gorgeous? Now I'm going to add one more piece to this. Remember the tall vases? I painted this one white. So what I'm going to do is glue this right in the center. And I'm going to use my Gorilla Glue. Okay, so now I will allow that to dry. Once that dries, I'll come back. Now to our candle holder. I have some of this pearl wrap, and I found it at Dollar Tree. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to put some down the side and then around here as well. But first I'm going to have to cut away some of this. So now I'm going to add some glitter to this by mixing some Mod Podge and glitter together and then brushing it on. After the glitter completely dried, I put a layer of UV resin on top to make it super shiny. Now I'll add a thin layer of UV resin to this one as well, and then I'll add some tiny diamonds to the resin and then cure it. And now I'll completely cover the diamonds with more UV resin. Now you don't have to do this. This is something I totally want to do myself. Again, you can leave it open and you can put flower arrangements in there, some loose diamonds or pearls or anything that you want. That's just something I wanted to do. So now back to this piece. Again, I really like that I put the resin on the inside. It sealed the glitter in place and gave it a more professional look. Now I just decided I want to add a bead in the center because I'm going to add a chandelier pendant in the middle. So again, I'm going to use one of my clear beads, and I have this cute little chandelier pendant that I want to use. I'm going to take a little bit of my Gorilla Glue and put it on my bead, and then put that in. Okay guys, so let's try something different with one more. Here I have a third one, ombre white and silver, and we are going to hydro dip this one. I have my warm water, I have some glitter spray paint, I have some white, and some silver. Now if you want to add an extra color like purple, blue, green, orange, yellow, you could. I'm just gonna go with these two colors because that's this particular theme color, okay? So I'm gonna put on my mask. Okay, it's on high. Put this on. I'm gonna go ahead and dip this. Go with some white. Let's go this way. All right, I like it. The following clips are from all three of my completed projects. Please enjoy. This completes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please be so kind enough to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Comment your favorite DIY from this video. And tell me what you like about it, or if there's anything you would change, let me know in the comments. And stay tuned for a part 2 on Sunday. I have some different vases that I picked up from Dollar Tree as well, and I think you are going to love them. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.